red color, green color, blue color, black color, yellow color, and white color. Kids eye coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use red color and draw. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids again use red color and draw. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids write a J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use green color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. Kids again use green color and draw. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Kids now draw R. R for rose, and use blue color. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. Kids again use blue color and draw. W. W for wallet. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers, and first you draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use black color. 2. 3. The numbers of 3. 4. The numbers of 4. 5. The numbers of 5. Kids again use black color and draw. 6. The numbers of 6. 7. 8. Kids again use black color and draw. 9. The numbers of 9. 10. The last numbers of 10. T, E, and 10. Red color, green color, blue color, black color, yellow color, and white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use red color. O and E1, the numbers of 1, 2, T, W02, 3, T, H, R, W3, 4, F, O, U, R, 4, 5, F, I, V, E, 5. Kids again use red color and draw 6, S, I, X, 6, 7, SEVEN 7, 8, EIGHT 8, 9, NINE 9. Kids 9 to 10. The numbers of 10 and use green color TEN 10. 11. The numbers of 11. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use green color and draw. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. 16. The numbers of 16. Kids 9 to 17. The numbers of 17 and use blue color 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The numbers of 20. 21. The numbers of 21. 22. The numbers of 22. Kids 9 to 23. The numbers of 23 and use black color 24. The numbers of 24. 25. The numbers of 25. 26. The numbers of 26. Kids again use black color and draw. 27. The numbers of 27. 28. The numbers of 28. 29. The numbers of 29. 30. The last numbers of 30. Red color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color, and white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, B. B for ball, B for bat, C. C for cat, C for car, D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw numbers and first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color ONE1. 2 TWO2. 3 THREE. 4 FOUR4. Kids today draw A, B, C, D numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Red color, black color, blue color, green color, yellow color, and white color. Kids now coloring ABC. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. Kids Nidra E for egg, E for elephant, and U is black color. F for fish, F for fan. G for goat, G for grapes. H for hand, H for helicopter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.